Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
I like pretty much anything that is powered by the sun, whether it is a GoSun oven, houses, outdoor lighting, or smart bird feeders. And for fun, Popo Soap is out with nicely designed solar-powered fountain kits that are great for bird baths, garden ponds, and waterfalls. We're impressed at how quick and easy the solar-powered fountains are to set up. The pumps have built-in filters to prevent clogging, and there are solar panels that feature a built-in battery pack to keep the water flowing on cloudy days as well. These aren't designed for water circulation at night. For that, you would need one of the company's corded electric pumps. All are affordably priced. Just search for POPO Soap at Amazon.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com, or just click on the link at Techstination.com.